have a car emergency kit and I'm gonna use it to open up the Tundra while it's locked. I did have a situation where I had my keys locked in the truck and I wasn't home. I didn't have a spare on me. My main option was to get a locksmith or pop-a-lock to come use one of these and open it for me. So from what I saw, all they did was use like a little bag like this that's inflatable, wedged it between the door and the jamb and pumped it. That made a crack, and then these rods were pieced together and that was used to hit the unlock button on the inside. So I'm gonna replicate what I saw. The truck is locked. Sadly, I did already have one of these that I got at Home Depot before, but I didn't have the rod or material or know what to even get, honestly, to make the rod to do the unlocking mechanism. But this pretty much the same thing as these bags. This one here, anyways. I'll use this wedge to get the pump in there. Then I'll come with the other pump. Now I should be able to stick the rod through. This is hard to see, but the door unlock mechanism's right here. That's it. Well, that worked for me. I've seen where some put the wedge in here. Where, I mean, I guess that works too. But for me, it seemed easier to come from the top, go straight down basically, and catch the unlock. I'm sure too, if the side's cracked right here, that the handle can be pulled with that hook too. Using this kit just one time, it's definitely going to pay for itself.